What's up, everyone? Out at Rudee Inlet fishing for some bluefish and redfish, and this is a couple of the highlights from the trip.
Close.
Nice.
Next time. Yeah, it was good size.
The bluefish tend to take bites out of the bait, so you'll get hit a few times before they get to the hook. These pilings are covered in barnacles and oyster shells, and they are like razor blades. This is 60-pound monofilament line, and it cut me off like it was nothing. I hooked this fish and it ran straight into the structure. I gave it just a little less pressure than I normally would have, and the fish did eventually come out, but this was fairly lucky that I actually landed this fish. By this point in the day, the current and the wind were really moving. I decided to fish a little more, and I'm glad I did because I caught a fish that I don't usually catch in this area. So that wraps up this trip to Rudee Inlet. I had a pretty successful day. Had a redfish, handful of bluefish, and a really nice flounder. Thanks for watching.